Lockdown 4.0 has begun with more relaxations in tow. The centre has extended the curbs for 2 more weeks until May 31st. But as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in his address to the nation that Lockdown 4.0 is going to be different from the previous 3 phases of the lockdown scene. Now, the Home Ministry has issued guidelines for the 4th phase of the nationwide lockdown and has given power to states and union territories to delineate the red, green and orange zones as per the COVID-19 situation there. The red zone is an area where the incidence of COVID-19 positive cases are the highest, followed by orange and the green zones. In Lockdown 4.0, even if you are in the red zone, you will still be eligible for easier rules. Now, within the red and the orange zones, district authorities have been empowered to demarcate the containment zones and buffer zones. A containment zone is an area where there are high incidences of COVID-19 positive cases. The district authorities are empowered to decide on declaring an area as a containment zone. Now, in case of a large outbreak, the entire population of a municipal ward or a municipal zone, a police station area, town, etc., from where the cases and contacts are reported, are taken as a containment zone. If you are in a containment zone, your life doesn't change really much in Lockdown 4. Only essential activities are allowed in these zones and no outsider is allowed to get into these zones, and anyone staying in these zones are also not allowed to venture out. Now, you can check about which zone are you in from the social media pages of your state government or your district magistrate's office as well. Never heard of a buffer zone before? Well, a buffer zone is an area of a spread in 5 kilometers radius of a containment zone. In fresh guidelines, the Home Ministry has also allowed the resumption of app-based cab services and has given permission to functioning of all shops, markets and commercial establishments except those in malls, and has eased curbs on private offices that were previously allowed to function within 33% of the staff strength. However, you need to wait for the state government and DMs to really notify rules for their own states and districts on all these relaxations of Lockdown 4.0. Coffee shops and restaurants can offer takeaway services. Home delivery of services of restaurants are also allowed in Lockdown 4. So you can still not go out and eat at your favorite restaurant, but definitely order in from there. Delivery of non-essentials such as clothes through e-commerce companies is now permitted even in the red zones, but states and DMs will notify specific rules for each district on the same. Salons have been permitted to open, but again check for the rules of your district. Sport complexes and stadia can also open, but without any spectators. Most states have already opened up alcohol shops outside of the containment zones, and that continues to be permitted. You can also visit your friends in non-containment zones only if your friend's RWA allows, or vice versa. Any congregation of more than 5 people is strictly prohibited and is punishable by law even now. You can invite guests for a marriage ceremony, but the number of people should not exceed 50. Funeral-related gatherings cannot exceed 20 people. Travel by metro is prohibited until further notice in all zones. Air travel is prohibited till May 31st as of now, and interstate train services have already opened up in a limited fashion. Now, interstate movement in passenger vehicles and also commercial vehicles like buses has now been allowed, provided both the states agree. Schools, colleges and educational institutions will continue to remain shut until further notice in all the zones. All religious places are also closed for public, and religious congregations have also been strictly prohibited. Now, wearing of masks in public places is compulsory, while spitting in public places is banned. In all, the activities that were permitted during the 3rd phase of the lockdown will continue to operate and be allowed in the 4th phase as well, with some more additional relaxations as well. However, states have been given a lot of freedom to add restrictions in any area.